सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार। अद्यतन संख्यां वदतु।
नवषष्ट्युत्तरशततमः वर्गः।
169th class of Panchatantra. Shortly we will be bidding goodbye to Panchatantra stories. We are almost coming very close to the end because today Saptami Katha Prarabhati, 7th story starts today. And in each class we are able to do small stories. Today we may not complete this 7th story, but it will overlap. Out of 14 we are midway, Srinivas. Midway in Aparikshita Karaka. 7th story being studied, you know, the main conversation is between Suvarna Siddhi and Chakradhara. So each one is consoling another one, and Chakradhara is repentingly, with repentance he is also feeling sorry. I know it happens sometimes, he said in the previous story. It happens, even the Buddhimantas, Yasya Nasti, that is what he said. Prajna Vimo Mitroktam na karoti. Yasya Nasti Swayam Prajna Shastram Tasya Karoti Kim. I reminded you. So, but here he said Mitroktam na karoti yaha. One who does not obey, carry out the advice given by friend, even in spite of having prajna, such a person goes to damnation. And how is that asked? Chakra, Suvarna Siddhi asked, and Chakradhara is narrating here. Yes, Srinivas, take on. Srinivas?
Sir, I share the screen, sir. Is it seen, sir?
Yeah.
Manthara Kaulika Katha. Sorry, Manthara Kaulika Katha. कस्मिंश्चित् अधिष्ठाने मन्थरकः नाम कौलिकः प्रतिवसति स्म। तस्य कदाचित् पटकर्माणि कुर्वतः सर्व पटकर्म काष्ठानि भग्नानि.
Yeah, we are opening with very few 2 lines only today. This is the story of a weaver called Manthara. Kasminchid adhisthani Mantarakaha nama Kaulikaha weaver prativasati sma. In some city, there lived a weaver by name Mantharaka. Kadachit someday, one day, what happened? Patakarmani kurvataha, while he was, doing the weaving activity, Patakarmani kurvataha, sarva patakarma kastani bhagnani. To his bad luck, all his patakarma kastani, the wooden planks which were there to his machine of weaving, sarva patakarma kastani bhagnani, they got burnt. Fire accident took place in modern terms. Fire broke out. And so, what do you call, all his machine tools were damaged. Yes, Srinivas?
Yes, sir. ततः स कुठारमादाय वने काष्ठार्थं गतः। स च समुद्रतटं यावत् भ्रमन् प्रयातः तावत् तत्र पादपः तेन दृष्टः। ततश्चिन्तितवान् महानयं वृक्षः दृश्यते तदनेन कर्तृतेन प्रभूतानि पटकर्मोपकरणानि भविष्यन्ति इति अवधार्य तस्य उपरि कुठारम् उत्क्षिप्तवान्.
Yeah. So what happened to this Mantaraka? One day he was weaving as usual, and then his fire broke out, and all his tools and wooden tools they burnt. Then sa kutaramadaya, then he took his axe, he took up his axe, and then he roamed, he started going in search of wood because his wood instrument was damaged. Vane kastartham, for the sake of this wood kastartham gataha, he went into the forest. Saja samudra tatam yavat brahman. So he roamed a long distance until the, samudra tata. He went to the other side of the seashore, you can say, seashore of the samudra tatam yavat, till the shore of the sea. Brahman prayataha, he was roaming, and then he moved up to that end of the seashore. Tavat, then tatra, there, shimsha shimshapapadapaha. Shimshapapadapaha tena kaulikena drushtaha. So he happened to see one tree, rosewood tree, Shimshapadapaha. Padapaha is vriksha. Shimshapa is its name. And botanical name is Dalbergia sisso. This was a rosewood tree was seen by him. Tataha, then Chintitavan, then he thought, Mahanayam vriksho drishyati. This seems to be a great tree. Mahan ayam vrikshaha drishyati. Tad, so anena kartitena, so by cutting this, prabhutani patakarma upakaranani bhavishyanti. So if I, cut this big tree, fell this tree, actually felling tree we say, but if I cut this tree, big tree, so many parts of my patakarma upakaranani, instruments, many instruments of my machine or whatever tools will be made. Iti avadharya, thinking like this, tasya upari nama vrikshasya padapasya upari kutharam ukshiptavan. He threw his axe. That means he started axing the tree. Yes.
अथ तत्र वृक्षे कश्चित् व्यन्तरः समाश्रित आसीत्। अथ तेन अभिहितं, भो मद आश्रयः अयं पादपः सर्वथा रक्षणीयः, यतः अहम् अत्र महासौख्येन तिष्ठामि, समुद्रकल्लोलस्पर्शनात् वायुना अपि आयितः.
So when he raised and put his axe on the tree, then what happened? Atha, then tatra vrikshe, then on the tree, kaschid vyantaraha samashritaha asit. Some vyantaraha means class of demigods, ghost they say, but vyantaraha is a type of demigod, semigod, including, it could be ghost also, pishachas, Srinivas, bhuta, yaksha, rakshasa, kinnara, kimpurusha, pishacha. These are all covered under yantara. So we do not know what exactly there was. There was some kind of, such spirit, yantara, yantaraha. It could be, yeah, it could be kimpurusha, it could be kinnara, it could be anybody, pishacha also. So lived there. What happened then? Ata tena avitam, and that was resorted by that vyantara. Tena vyantarena avitam uktam bhoho madashrayoyam. This is my residence, my refuge. Padapaha, this tree is my refuge. Sarvata rakshaniya, it should be protected by all means. Because yataha ahamatra maha saukhyena tishtami. I am here very comfortably staying there. I am staying here very comfortably. Maha saukhyena anandena tishtami. The samudra kallola sparshanat shita vayuna api shita vayuna apyayitaha. Apyayita means very pleased, santushtaha. So I am saying very comfortably Mahasaukyena Tishtami, because this wave that is coming from, because it was Samudra Tatana, already reached the seashore. Samudra Kallola, Kallola means because of that water moving in the Samudra waves. Sparshanat, because of the water coming from the waves, touching the waves of the ocean, Samudra. Shita Vayuna, naturally the air will be cool. Apyayitaha, Sukitaha. So I am totally at Apyayita Nama. I am Sukitaha, you can say. I am pleased by the cool breeze coming over from the sea. So this is my residence. This should be protected, he said.
कौलिकाः भोः किमहं करोमि दारु सामग्रीं विना मे कुटुम्बं बुभुक्षया पीड्यते तस्मात् अन्यत्र शीघ्रं गम्यताम् अहम् एनं
Srinivas, ఒక్క second, 1 second. क्षम्यतां तत्र अकस्मात् गन्तव्यमासीत्. Yeah, I have to attend some very important.
I'll read it once again, sir. कौलिकाः भोः किमहं करोमि दारु सामग्रीं विना मे कुटुम्बं बुभुक्षया पीड्यते तस्माद् अन्यत्र शीघ्रं गम्यताम् अहम् एनं कर्तयिष्यामि.
So Kaulika said, Kaulika did not oblige the spirit's voice here. He said, "Oh, kimaham karomi, what can I do? What can I do in this matter? Daru samagrim vina, without these wooden samagri, tools, me kutumbam bhubukshaya pidhyati. My family will be suffering of hunger. My bhubukshaya pidhyati. Tasmad anyatra shigram gamyatam. So he is asking the goblin or the pishacha or whatever it is to go somewhere else. Tasmad anyatra shigram gamyatam. Aham enam kartayishyami. I am going to, axe this tree. Kartarishi is a simple word, kartayishyami. I am going to fell this tree. You go somewhere else, said the Kaulika.
व्यन्तराः भो तुष्टः तवा अहम् तत् प्रार्थ्यताम् अभीष्टं किंचित् रक्षैनं पादपम् इति.
But I think here the Vyantara or this goblin or the ghost is pleased with the answer of this Kaulika. In the sense, Kaulika is very sincere. He said, what can I do? On wood only my family depends, my family's livelihood. Otherwise, my family will be suffering with bubuksha. Bubukshaya pidhyati iti. So that I think that point is touched, has touched the Vyantara, and he said, Tustaha tava aham. I am really happy with you. Tat prarthyatam abhishtam kinchi. So you ask for something else. Since he put forth the word that this is the only means for my family and my family will suffer, I think a very kind-hearted goblin is there, ghost is there. Then he says, I am happy. Okay, you ask for something. Kinchit. Raksha enam padam, but you protect this tree. I will give you whatever you want.
कौलिकाः sorry,
Yeah.
can I go ahead, sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
कौलिकाः यदि एवं तदहं स्वगृहं गत्वा स्वमित्रं स्वभार्यां च पृष्ट्वा आगमिष्यामि ततः त्वया देयम्.
Yeah, Kaulika, yadi evam, if so, but this fellow has some other thought. Tad aham swagruham gatva, then I will go my home. Swamitram swabharyam cha prushtva, I will go and ask my friend and also my wife, agamishyami, I will return back. Tataha tvaya deyam, then you give me. Okay, you want to give some avishtam varam, I'll do that. I'll go and consult my friend and wife. He said, yes, Srinivas. Atha?
अथ तथा इति व्यन्तरेण प्रतिज्ञाते स कौलिकः प्रहृष्टः स्वगृहं प्रति निवृत्तः यावदग्रे गच्छति तावद् अग्रामप्रवेशे निजसुहृदं नापितम् अपश्यत्। ततः तस्य व्यन्तरवाक्यं निवेदयामास यत् अहो मित्र मम कश्चित् व्यन्तरः सिद्धः तत् कथय किं प्रार्थये अहं त्वां प्रष्टुमागतः नापिताः भद्र यदि एवं तद् राज्यं प्रार्थयस्व येन त्वं राजा भवसि अहं च त्वं मन्त्री द्वौ अपि इह सुखमनुभूय परलोकसुखमनुभवावः उक्तं च।
This is what happens. Asha and Atyasha, because we are reading the stories only to highlight the importance of Atyasha, greed, over greed, Lobha, Ati Lobha. So Kaulika put forward, Kaulika aha yadyevam tarhi swagruham gatva. Okay, then Tata iti Vyantarena pratignati. The Vyantara said, okay, no problem. Saha Kaulikaha, that Kaulika weaver, Prakhrustaha, becoming very happy, Swagruham prati nivruttaha, he started towards his home. Yavad agre gachati, when he goes little distance, Tavad grama praveshe, when he enters the village, he comes across first his friend, Nija Suhrudam, Nija Mitram, his own friend, Napitam Apashat. He happened to see his own friend, Napita, the barber. And barbers are very clever people, we know from the Tataha, then Tasya Vyantara Vakyam Nivedayamasa. Then he told to his friend Tasya, Napitasya, Vyantara Vakyam Nivedayamasa. Then he informed what this tree goblin or tree ghost, tree Vyantara told him. Aho Mitra, Mama Kaschid Vyantaraha Siddhaha. Then he also told him, I have got some Vyantaraha. Siddhaha means has come into contact, or Siddhaha also means to ready to grant some vara. So Kaschid Vyantaraha Siddhaha. Some Vyantara is ready to give something, ready to grant some favor. Siddhaha means that. Tat kataya kim prarthaye. So tell me, my friend, kim prarthaye, what shall I ask for? Now this stupid fellow does not know what to ask. So he has taken some conditional bail, like conditional vara now. I will go and ask my friend and wife. Aham tvam prashtum agataha. I have come to you to ask this. He said. Napita said, Napitaha Bhadra, my friend. Yadi evam, if so, tad rajyam prarthayasva. If you have got some siddha ready to give you, some yantara ready to give you, tad kataya, tad rajyam prarthayasva. Why don't you ask for kingdom only? Yena, so that tvam raja bhavasi, you will become the king. Aham cha tvan mantri, tava mantri, and I can become your mantri. Dvavapi iha, we hear both you and me, dvau api iha, sukam anubhuya, enjoying our life, paraloka sukam anubhavama, not only sukam, paraloka sukam means svarga sukam api anubhavama. We can have heavenly pleasures. If you ask for kingdom, then I will become your mantri. Uktam cha, he said.
Raja Danaparo Nityam Iha Kirtimavapya cha Tatprabhavat Punasvarge Spardhate Tridashai Saha.
So the Napita says, what if supposing you get a kingdom, then what will be the, he has some idea of how kings enjoy. Raja Danaparo Nityam Iha Kirtimavapya. A king who is Danaparaha, who is very munificent, who is Danaparaha, who is given to charities. Nityam always iha kirtim avapya. Such a king, if you become a king, then you will become a Dhanapara, you will become a munificent king, and by becoming a charitable king, munificent king, you will earn kirtim avapya, you will get kirti by being charitable. Tat prabhavat, and due to that prabhava, because of that kirti, punaha swarge spardati tridashaihi saha, then that will make you enable you to compete even with gods in the tridashai. Tridashaihi means devaihi. Swarge devaihi spardati saha. Devaihi saha spardati. Then you can compete even with gods also. Oh, that is the idea there. So you will become like a god once you get kingdom, and then you will have charity, you will have fame, then you will be in a position to even compete with the, you will have such power that compete with the Tridashaha Devataihi Saha Spardate Bhavaniti. Then Kaulika said,
कौलिकाः अस्ति एतत् परं तथापि गृहिणीं पृच्छामि सा हे भद्र शास्त्रविरुद्धम् एतत् यत् स्त्रिया सह मन्त्रः यतः ताः मतयो भवन्ति उक्तं च.
so having told this, Napita, the barber said, a king who is munificent, who gets kirti, will be in a position to compete even with the gods in the Swaraloka. Said, but this Kaulika seems to be a very innocent fellow, innocent and idiotic. Kaulika says, Asti etat, true, what you said is correct, param. But Gruhinim, tathapi Gruhinim pruchami, even then I will consult my Gruhini. Because this is the same word he asked, he said in the beginning also. I will go and ask my friend and my wife.
Yeah, Swamitram, Swabharya.
Bharyam. So Mitra is done now, consultation. So he is a very sincere fellow in that matter. Now he says, Param, Gruhinim Pruchami. I will ask my better half. Saha, that means the Napita said, Bhadra friend, Shastra Viruddham etat. This is quite contrary to what Shastra says. The fact that you want to ask your wife is Shastra Viruddham. How? Yat because Striyaha, I'm sorry, Yat because Striya Saha Mantraha. What is Shastra Viruddham? Striya Saha Mantraha, Mantranam. Consultation with the woman is Shastra Viruddha. And now he is going to tell us how it is. Because Yataha, Taha means Striyaha. This is touch of the, Sate Taha. Taha Striyaha. Swalpamatayaha, because those women are petty-minded. Swalpa means petty-minded bhavanti. Uktam cha, it is also said, yes.
भोजनाच्छादने दद्यात् ऋतुकाले च सङ्गमम् भूषणाद्यं च नारीणां न ताभिर्मन्त्रयेत् सुधीः.
So, how one should not consult one wife or for that matter striyaha, because taha striyaha, alpamatayaha, swalpabuddhayaha. They are very less intelligent people, women. And he says, Bhojana yes, you can consult your wife with regard to Bhojana and Achadana, covering, etc. Wise man should consult. Bhojana is very simple, Achadana, Bhusha, the dressing. Dadyat Rutukalecha Sang. Yes, you should give company to, one should give company to one's wife with regard to eating and dressing and also to mating. Rutukalecha Sangamam, and going to them in the Rutukala. Bhushanadhyam. And also you should also consult your wife in giving bhushana, ornaments, etc. Bhushanadhyam cha narinam. But natabihi narivihi mantra yet sudhihi. Sudhihi, an intelligent person, sudhihi, tabihi, stribihi, bharyabihi, na mantrayet, he should not consult with them. No consultation, only have this kind of company, Bhojana, Achadana and Sangama and Bhushanadi, etc. But how do you consult with regard to this Raja, the serious matter. That is what he wants to say there. Yeah.
यत्र स्त्रीत्रयकितवो बालो यत्र प्रशासिता तद्गृहं क्षयमायाति भार्गवो हीदमब्रवीत्.
I think there is a proverb in English, devils quote scriptures. Exactly that fits here in the character of this Napita. Napita is a kind of devil who is falsifying the Shastras. Those Shastras say like this, but nowhere it is like that. Only to because Napita is selfish. Napita being very selfish, he is doing like this. So he said, Yatra Stri, Yatra Kitavaha. Wherever a woman, wherever a gambler, Kitavaha. Balaha, where a boy, Yatra Prashasita, where there is a ruler, Tad Gruham Kshayamayati. Wherever there is a woman, there is a gambler, there is a boy, there is a ruler, Prashasita, a boss or what, ruler, whatever. Tad Gruham Kshayam Nasham Ayati Gachati. Who said it? I am not saying. He says, Bhargavaha hi idam abravit. Shukracharya hi idam abravit. Shukracharya himself said this. Where women are consulted, where gamblers are there, where these are things. I am not saying so. Don't ask. That is what he wants to say. Tavat.
तावत् स्यात् सुप्रसन्नास्यः तावत् गुरुजने रतः पुरुषो योषितां यावत् न शृणोति वचोरहः.
Then he says, Tavat syat suprasannasyah. Suprasannam asyam yasya saha suprasannasyah. I'm reminded of a name, Suprasannacharya, a great Sanskrit scholar. Suprasannasyaha prasannamukaha. Ya tavat syat, so long will be a man, syat bhavishyati, Suprasannasyaha prasannamukaha, tavat, so long he will be Gurujane Rata, as long as he is interested in Gurujana, elderly people. As long as a man is involved serving the elderly people, so long he will be happy. Suprasanna, Asyam means Mukam here. Suprasannam Asyam Yasya Saha. That is Prasanna Mukaha. Suprasanna Mukaha. How long? Gurujane Yavat Tavat Gurujane Rataha. So long he will be, what do you call, he will be, as long as he is devoted to the Gurujanas. Gurujane Rataha, very simple. Then, Purushaha Yoshitam Yavanna Sunoti Vachaha. So, as long as a man does not listen to, obey to the words of women, so long he will be happy-faced. And he will be happy-faced and he will be very dear to the elderly people. Gurujane Rataha means he will be dear, devoted to the elderly people, and so long he will be Prasanna Mukaha. How long? As long as Yavat Kalam Yoshitam Strinam Purushaha Vachaha Rahaha Vachaha na Sunoti. As long as he does not listen to their words in isolation, Rahaha. So women generally counsel their husbands in isolation.
Yeah.
They tell in isolation. That is why he says, as long as a man does not listen to his wives or wives in general, women's words in isolation, so long man will be happy and he will be also devoted, very dear to the elderly people. The moment he listens to women in isolation, his Prasanna Mukha will become Asanna Mukha, Dukkhasanna Mukha it becomes. And he will be no more dear to the Gurujana. Yes.
एता स्वार्थपरा नार्यः केवलं स्वसुखे रताः न तासां वल्लभः कोऽपि सुतोऽपि स्वसुखं विना.
And further accusing women here, etaha striyaha yoshitaha etaha. Again, etaha is a pronoun, you know. Esha ete
Yeah.
etaha. Swartha paraha naryaha. High condemnation by the Napita. Etaha naryaha, these women, swartha paraha. Swartha eva param yasam. They are very highly selfish. Kevalam swasukhe rataha. They are only interested in their own self pleasure. Swasukhe, comfort, self comfort. Swasukhe rataha. Etaha rataha. See the rhyming here. Etaha rataha. न तासां वल्लभः कोऽपि तासां योषितां तासां स्त्रीणां तासां महिलानां न कः अपि वल्लभः. There is no dear person to the women. Suto api swamukam vina, swasukam vina. Even their own son is not dear to them. They only care for swasukam, swasukam vina, without their self-interest, self-comfort. Women only look to their self-comfort. They do not even care for Suta, their own son. So therefore, I am warning you, it's a kind of warning here given by Napita to the Kaulika, don't ask your wife. Because you know, why all this said? He wants to become the minister.
Yeah.
See that? Freely he wants to become the readily minister of this new found land. Like
कौलिकाः तथापि प्रष्टव्या सा मया, यतः पतिव्रता सा, अपरं ताम् अपृष्ट्वा अहं न किञ्चित् करोमि. एवं तम् अभिधाय सत्वरं गत्वा ताम् उवाच, हे प्रिये, अद्य अस्माकं कश्चित् व्यन्तरः सिद्धः. स वाञ्छितं प्रयच्छति, तदहं त्वां प्रष्टुम् आगतः. तत् कथय, किं प्रार्थये? एष तावन् मम मित्रं नापितः वदत्येवं यत् राज्यं प्रार्थयस्व. स आह, आर्यपुत्र, कामतिर्नापितानां तन्न कार्यं तद्वचः उक्तं च.
I am seeing this character of this Kaulika, very innocent Srinivas. True to, very innocently true, truthful. So Kaulika listened to his friend totally. He listened to all the condemnation and then he said, Tathapi, even then, Prastavya sa maya, sa mama bharya prastavya maya. She must be consulted, asked by me. Because yataha pativrata sa, she is a very virtuous lady. Aparam, one more thing, tam apruštva. One more thing is that without asking my wife, tam bharyam apruštva, aham na kinchit karomi. I don't do any work without asking my wife. So here the sincerity is, innocence is exhibited.
Yeah.
I don't do anything without asking her. Evam tam avidhaya, having told his Napita friend like this, Satvaram Gatva immediately went over to his wife, Tam Bharyam Uvacha. He said to his Priye, my dear, Adya Asmakam Kaschit Vyantaraha Siddha. Today we have got some Vyantara, some spirit or goblin or ghost or some Yaksha, Kinnara, etc., who is ready to give grant something. Vyantaraha Siddha is at hand. Sa Vanchitam Prayachati. He is ready to give you, he is willing to give the desired object. Tadaham Tvam Prashtum Agataha. So I have come to ask you, my dear, Tat Kataya Kim Prarthaye. Come on, tell me, what should I ask for? Esha, but he also says innocently what his friend told him. Esha Tavan Mama, this friend is there na? Mama Tavan Mitram, Napitaha, that barber. Vadati, he says, Evam Yat, he says like this, Rajyam Prarthayasva. My friend says, ask for kingdom. Sa Bharya Aha, Aryaputra, oh my husband, respectable husband. Ka matihi napitanam. What is the intelligence of these barbers? Tanna karyam, that should not be done. Tadna tanna kartavyam. Tadvachaha. His word should not be done, carried out, because it is said, she says something now.
चारणैर्बन्दिभिर्नीचैः नापितैर्बालकैरपि न मन्त्रं मतिमान् कुर्यात् सार्धभिक्षुभिरेव च.
Then she is condemning charanaihi. Charanas generally means wandering people, players, wandering players, actors, etc. Charanaihi bandibihi. Charanaihi bandibihi. Bandi means poet, bandi. So moving poets, you can say. Charanaihi bandibihi is wandering bandibihi. You know, like I think in Telugu, our villages also, in bullock cart, people used to go and enact, do dramas in olden times, if I am right, Srinivas. So such people, wandering people here. So once the wife says, Charanaihi bandibihi nichaihi, and either with these wandering poets, actors, poets, nichaihi with low people, napitaihi with low barbers, balakaihi and with children, balakaihi api na mantram matiman kuryat. An intelligent man should not consult these wandering bards, the low people and low people, and also the barbers, and also with children. Balakaihi api na mantram matiman kuryat. Sardam Bhikshubhirevacha, and also with Bhikshubhihi. Bhikshu means the the Buddhist monks in those days, Bhikshu. So Bhikshu also should not be consulted. So Napita is there in the list. Napitaihi, he should not be consulted. He should not be consulted with these barbers, miners, and all these bhikshus or beggars, whatever you say. Aparam.
Yeah, अपरं महती क्लेश परंपरा एषा राज्य स्थितिः संधि विग्रहयानासन संश्रय द्वौधी भाव विधिभिः सॉरी द्वौधी भाववादिभिः कदाचित् पुरुषस्य सुखं न प्रयच्छति इति यतः.
And she, as a very learned woman, now says, Aparam, moreover, Mahati Klesha Parampara Esha Rajya Stitihi. Your friend suggested to go for Rajyam, but it is Mahati Klesha Parampara Esha Rajya Stiti. Rajya Stiti means the statehood, kingdom is associated with lots of problems. Mahati Klesha Parampara, there is a series of problems, Rajyasthiti, maintaining the kingdom. Like Sandhi, we have already come across in the Mitra Kakolukiyam. These things, Sandhi, alliance, Vigraha, Vigraha, Sandhi, Vigraha, etc. Samadhana Veda, they are there. Apart from this also, in the Kakolukiyam, very interestingly, this was done, Srinivas.
Yeah, correct.
If you remember, Kakolukiyam.
Yes.
But here we also are given some meanings here, as per Artha Shastra also. Sandhi is making peace, Vigraha is war, that is what. Sandhi Vigraha, Yana is marching, marching ahead. Then Asana is staying in one place, Samshraya. Dvaidi Bhava is, taking to, kind of double standard, Dvaidi Bhava, double game we have said. Dvaidi Bhava Adivihi Kadachit Purushasya Sukham na Prayachati. So, Rajya Sthiti is a great matter of concern, difficulty, because it involves these things. Sandhi, Vigraha, Yana, Asana, Samshraya, Dvaidi Bhavadivihi, Kadachit, Purushasya Sukham na Prayacha. All these things don't give Sukha to the Purusha. Purusha means here Raja. If you become a king tomorrow, you will not be happy. You will have to deal with all these things. She is discouraging him. Na prayachyati iti, because she elaborates now.
यदैव राज्ये क्रियतेऽभिषेकः तदैव याति व्यसनेषु बुद्धिः घटानृपाणामभिषेककाले सहाम्भसौवाद
सह अम्बसैव अम्बसा एव आपदम् उद्गिरन्ति. सहाम्बसैवापदम् उद्गिरन्ति.
सहाम्बसैवापदमुद्गिरन्ति.
सह एव अम्बसा एव आपदम् उद्गिरन्ति. सह अम्बसा एव आपदम् उद्गिरन्ति. So this wife says, यदा एव राज्ये क्रियते अभिषेकः. यदा राज्ये अभिषेकः क्रियते, when coronation is performed in the kingdom. When abhishekah, simple language, यदा राज्ये अभिषेकः क्रियते, कस्यचित् पुरुषस्य अभिषेकः क्रियते, तदा एव, the moment abhisheka coronation is done, tada eva, then and there, yati vyasaneshu buddhihi. That very moment a king is put to vyasana, difficulties. Right from the time of coronation, all problems will start with for the king. That is what she means to say that. Yati vyasaneshu buddhihi. His buddhi, his intellect will be heading towards vyasana, means difficulties, let us say. All sorts of problems, like earlier said, yana, vigraha, etc. And she says, Ghata nrupanam abhisheka kale. Ghataha nrupanam abhisheka kale. At the time of abhisheka, they pour abhisheka. Abhisheka is jala abhisheka will be done. Abhisheka kale ghata saha ambasaiva. So ghataha, when they take the pots of water and pour over the shiras of the Raja, Nrupanam Abhisheka Samaye Kale, saha ambasaiva, along with the water, ambasa jalam, saha ambasa, saha jalena saha iti. Sahambasaiva apadamudgiranti. So these pots of water which are poured over the Raja Abhisheka time, at the time of pouring, they also emit, they also show up apadas. It is not Abhisheka Jala, it is the Jala for apada, emitting apada. So why do you want to buy this trouble of getting into Raja Abhisheka? That is what she says. Yes.
Tathacha Ramasya vrajanam vane nivasanam pando sutanam vane vrishninam nidhanam nalasya nrupate rajyat paribhramshanam saudasam तदवस्थमर्जुनवधं सचिन्त्य लङ्केश्वरं दृष्ट्वा राज्यकृते विडम्बनगतं तस्मान्न तद्वाञ्छयेत्.
Why should not this Kaulika ask for kingdom as suggested by the Napita? She further discourages that even a person like Rama, Vrajanam Vane, Gamanam Vane, what happened to Rama when he was about to be coronated? He went to forest. Vrajanam Gamanam Vane. Nivasanam Pandoha Sutanam Vane. What happened to the Pandavas? They also went to the forest. Her argument is, this argument is very good. Yeah. Vrishnis are Yadavas, a subdivision of Yadavas, perished due to internal quarrels.
Yeah.
So Vrishninam Nidhanam Nashanam. How did these Yadava kings, because of the internal fight, they all perished? Nalasya Nrupati, Nala Chakravarti, how this Nala fell from the Nrupatitva. Rajyat Paribhramshanam, he also fell from the Rajya. Saudasa, this Saudasa was one of the, what do you call, Suryavamsha kings.
Oh,
He was one of the,
forefathers of Rama.
yeah. Later he was called Kalmasha Prada, son of actually Suvasa. He is the son of Suvasa and therefore he is called Sudasa, I'm sorry. Sudasa's son, Saudasa. And he was cursed by Vasishta's putra, Shakti. The story says. Shakti is the name of the Vasishta's son and he became later man-eating demon. This Saudasa became a Rakshasa, Nara Rakshasa, Narabhakshaka Rakshasa, because of the curse of Vasishta's son Shakti. So, Saudasam tad avastam, he went to that Arjuna Vadam Sanchitya, and Arjuna means Kartaviri Arjuna, one of the most powerful kings ever mentioned in our mythology, Srinivas. He is Arjuna, other shortly is called Arjuna, but his full name is Kartaviri Arjuna Sahasrabahu. See, we only speak of Ravana, Dashanana, but this Kartaviri Arjuna is called Sahasrabahu. And this Sahasrabahu, he would exhibit only in war.
Oh.
Then everybody will ask, how would he sleep? If you tell the story of Sahasra Arjuna, Kartaviri Arjuna, then how could he sleep? It's the natural question. So, at the time of war only, he would exhibit his 1,000 arms. Such most powerful king, Kartaviri Arjuna, was killed by Parshurama because he stole the Kamadhenu of Parshurama's father, Jamadagni.
Maybe
and
equal to 1,000 warriors.
Yeah, symbolic. It is symbolic only. What is Dashanana or what is Dasharatha?
Yeah.
Dashanana means a king should have the information going on in 10 directions.
Yeah.
His mind should carry the information that is all going on in all the 10 directions. How would you say 10? 4, 4, 8, up and down.
Yeah, Ashtadik.
And that is why this is very important, this number Dasha. Dashanana and also in Ramayana Dasharatha. He is also given this title Dasharatha. Dasharatha is called because whenever Dasharatha went for war or, he had no opposition in all the 10 directions.
Yeah.
Dashasu Dikshu Apratihataha Rataha. His Ratha was unobstructed in all the 10 directions. And Dasharatha's son Rama, a fitting match for Dashanana in the Ramayana. And this is Sahasrabahu. One more thing I should tell the audience was what is said about him is, when he ruled thousands of years. There was not a single crime committed. He was a Parama Yogi. And they say, whenever anybody simply thought of doing some nonsense, committing some crime, it would immediately known by Kartaviri Arjuna. Arjuna. Immediately would come to know, and next moment he will be there before him with a sword in his hand. So whoever thought of committing any crime, that thought wave immediately touched the radar like mind of Kartaviri Arjuna, and he would present himself there. Hey, what are you thinking of doing? And fearing this, nobody thought of doing any crime.
Like police in our present foreign countries.
Yeah, police comes in within a minute there, but they would not know what is the intention of the culprit there. The police comes only after the crime is committed.
Yeah.
But in the rule of Kartaviri Arjuna, nobody dared to even think mentally. The moment he thought of doing some nonsense, Kartaviri Arjuna would appear before him. And such a great person was killed by Parshurama. So Arjuna Vadham Sanchintya, thinking about this. Lankeshwaram Društva, you know what happened to Lankeshwara?
Yeah.
Dashanana. Rajya krute vidambanagatam Lankeshwaram. So even Lankeshwara, who was apamanagratam, he became insulted. Finally died, of course. Vidambanagatam means apamanagatam. Avamanagatam. Lankeshwaram. Tasmat, therefore, na tad vanchayet. So don't aspire, ask for kingdom. All these people suffered because of kingdom.
तदर्थं भ्रातरः पुत्रा अपि वाञ्छन्ति ये निजाः वधं राज्यकृतां राज्ञां तद्राज्यं दूरतस्त्यजेत्.
And this is also true, like Aurangzeb. We have so many people, like Kamsa himself put his father in jail. Huh? We have na yadartam bhrataraha, for yadartam yad rajyartam bhrataraha putraha api vanchanti ye nijaha. One's own brothers, one's own sons, nijaha bhrataraha nijaha putraha api vanchanti ye vadam. No, people don't mind killing. Yadartam yad rajyartam vadam rajyakrutam rajnam. Rajyakrutam rajnam vadam vanchanti. They want the killing of the king for the sake of kingdom. We have seen in the history is full of this kind of activity. Tad, therefore, Rajyam Durataha Tyajet. So, that Rajya should be abandoned, left from a distance. Because if you become a king, your own sons will be after your life. Your own, brothers will be after you. So, don't go for this, she says.
कौलिकाः सत्यमुक्तं भवत्या तत्कथय किं प्रार्थये साः त्वं तावदेकं पटं नित्यमेव निष्पादयसि तेन सर्वा व्ययशुद्धिः सम्पद्यते इदानीं त्वम् आत्मनः अन्यद् बाहुयुगलं द्वितीयं शिरश्च याचस्व येन पटद्वयं सम्पादयसि पुरतः पृष्ठतः च एकस्य मूल्येन गृहे यथापूर्वं व्ययं सम्पादयिष्यसि द्वितीयस्य मूल्येन विशेषकृत्यानि करिष्यसि एवं सौख्येन स्वजातिमध्ये श्लाघ्यमानस्य तव कालो यास्यति लोकद्वयस्योपार्जना च भविष्यति.
And this stupid lady is advising him. Then after listening to this innocent, I have been telling, very innocent fellow, idiotically innocent fellow, Kaulika. He said, Satyamuktam bhavatya. Oh, you told correct. What you said is correct, my wife. Tat kataye kim prarthe. Then tell me, what should I ask for? Saha, she said, Tvam tavadekam patam nityameva sampadayasi. Nishpadayasi. You are making one cloth every day. You are weaving. Okay? With one cloth, weaving of one cloth, our family is running. Tena sarva vyaya shuddhi sampadyate. Sarva vyaya shuddhi means all our expenses are met. Vyaya shuddhi, all our expenditure is met with it, with one weaving of the cloth. Idanim, now what you do now? Tvam atmanaha anyad bahu yugalam. Now you go and ask that Vyantara to give you two more hands. And dvitiyam shiraha, and one more head. Now this woman's idea is, if he can manufacture one cloth a day with two hands and one head, if he manufactures two cloths a day with four hands and two heads, then we can make more money. One for daily expenditure, one for other comforts. She thinks like that. So, dvitiyam shiraha cha yachasva. You go and ask for second head, two hands. Yena, so that patadvayam sampadayasi. Then you will be able to manufacture two cloths. Vastradvayam. Purataha, from front head and hands one cloth. Prishtatascha, from back hands, head one cloth. Ekasya mulyena gruham yatapurvam. With the cost of one, with the income of one cloth, you will be running as usual your family. Vyayam yatha purvam vyayam sampadayishyasi. Ekasya mulyena gruhe yatha purvam vyayam sampadayishyasi. So that expenditure will be met. Dvitiyasya mulyena, with the cost of with the income of the second one, Vishesha Krutyani Karishyasi. You will do wonderful things. You can buy shopping, do shopping like Vishesha Krutyani. What is Vishesha Krutyani? He knows. Evam, in this manner, Saukhyena Swajati Madhye, very comfortably, Swajati Madhye, Kaulikanam Jati Madhye, Shlagyamanasya, being praised by your people, Tava Kalo Yasyat, your time will pass. Lokadvayasya Uparjana Bhavishyati. And you will also, in that way, be earning, comfort in this life and in the next life also. Lokadvayasya.
सोऽपि तदाकर्ण्य प्रहृष्टः प्राह साधु पतिव्रते साधु युक्तम् उक्तं भवत्या तदेवं करिष्यामि एष मे निश्चयः.
And now it is given to understand this fellow is very obedient to his wife. So api Kaulikaha, that Kaulika also, Tadakarnya, listening after these words, Prakhrustaha, very happy, said, Praha, Sadhu Pativrati. Oh Pativrata, you are wonderful. Oh, you are a great lady. You are Sadhu. Yuktam Uktam Bhavatya. What you have said is correct. You have said Yuktam Samichinam Uktam Bhavatya. Tad evam karishyami. So I shall do so. Eshame nichaya. This is my decision now. I will go and ask the Yantara to give me 2 hands and 1 more shiras. Can we stop here? Or?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Namaskar.
Shubham Bhuya.